Hello, my name is Aditya Bayu Putranto, and I am Associate Technical Advisor at Synex Metro Data Indonesia. And today, we will learn about tutorial installing Virtual Smart Zone. So, if you already have the OVA image, and now you can install the Virtual Smart Zone. There is two type of controller of Ruckus Wireless. The first one is dedicated device, and the second one is virtual based controller. And now we will install the virtual based controller. And then the prerequisite is you must download Virtual Smart Zone image at Ruckus Wireless support. And now let's go to the image. This is the image of the virtual smart zone. This is version 5.1.1.0.598.OVA. I got this around 3 months ago, and now we will just double click this image. Okay, we just click next, and then I think I will install it at my folder. Wait. Metro data, and here and here and VAZ. Okay, and now we are importing the virtual smart zone device, software to the destination folder. This will take around couple of minutes. And it's done. Here. So this virtual machine needs 13 gig of memory or RAM, and then it's need 4 core processor, and the hard disk need around 1100 gigabit. And if you want to install this as a more than one controller, you must enable these two network adapter. But if you only install single controller, you must delete these two. And now I delete the network adapter. Okay, now remaining only one network adapter. And now time to power on this virtual machine. And this will also take a couple of minutes. In the real, I mean, if this controller already work in real place, it will takes around 20 giga of memory, so it's quite big. And you must take note about this controller. After boot, it has so many services uh, in this controller, and after booting it's must wait around 15 minutes to wait until the all services is up. And here is the welcome page of Virtual Smart Zone, and the VAZ login is super, and I mean and the login username is admin and the password is also admin. And now we must enter command show services. Show show services, and all services are down. We must wait around 10 minutes